Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how to speak to strangers or there's something if you want to speak English, how to speak the normal English. That means if you don't without studying how to speak because of so many beginners or some of the English speaker, they initially there are these are the struggling they are having. So after that there are the practicing there are struggling to the practicing with strangers or like that way there are the implementation. So we also same like we are to improve our communication skills, right? So you don't think if you speaking to someone or something it will be happen, so don't think like that way. If you speaking some of the stranger, I don't think like if I speaking they will be what they are thinking while I'm speaking. So stop that, guys, because of if you know everyone there are like initially struggling to speak English. So after that there are the practicing to every day. They frequently they're using so many words. They can easily pronunciation that word. They can easily speak that word. Our biggest that fear is when we speaking to someone, they are thinking why the person not speaking the fluent English. It is that they are thinking just ignore that, guys. No one thinking like that way because of they know because of they also initially they're struggling a lot while speaking the English. After that, there are the practicing. There are the environment building with the English they are speaking there like that way. So same like that way, we are the initial stage, we are the beginner stage, we are the improve our communication skills. So the whatever guys, don't give up because of if you give up, you haven't the how to say you are the best version to the yourself because of I'm also initially so many struggling while speaking the English. Now you can see my progress, my the confidence while speaking the English. It is the everyone the normal guys. If you the practicing everyday communication skill is the key for your the career or your biggest impact. Because of hereafter I think the communication skill is the key. Because of if you the some of the story you are telling to someone or your your thoughts will be the articulating someone is the best version, guys. Because of I'm also trying to improve my communication skills with to the strangers or how to speak with the articulating some of the things. I'm also the practicing, guys. Guys, if you know anything about that, so please comment me. So if you have any fear, so what is the fear? What is the reason you are there? Talk about you are frustrated or there's something different. So please comment me if I can. I will give some tips or something. So other than guys, so if you speaking your mother tongue, so instead of the some of the few English word, yeah, you can use it. That is a useful guys. Because of initially I am also using my mother tongue speaking, but instead of I am using some of the English word, that is a make huge difference, guys. So don't they try to speak English fluently initially. You put some of the initially 1%. At least if you doing every day, that is a huge difference, guys. So yeah, so start simple. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself, guys. So it is my opinion. So if you like this or if you helpful this video, so please like and subscribe my channel. If you want any videos or any topics I wanna discuss, so please let me in the comment section. I will show. I will create that video. So and also if you know I made any mistakes, so please comment me. It is also helpful for my communication skills. That is my boost my confidence. Okay, thank you. We're gonna see next week.